Good morning, class 4. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture, we'll discuss about chapter 1, that is green plants producers of food. In the previous lecture, we had discussed the different parts of leaves and how leaves help in the process of food preparation, that is photosynthesis. Now today we'll do some activity, we'll discuss about some activity and how this food prepared by the process of photosynthesis used by the plants, and then we discussed about the some special type of plants. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, activity, that is activity 1. In this activity we'll discuss that only green plants are able to prepare their food. So for this experiment we need a plant called coleus leaf, or a plant which is called coleus, and we have to take a leaf. This leaf is a very different type of leaf, means there are some parts which are green and some parts which are non-green. So we have to take this leaf and then we mark the green areas on the leaf. After doing that, we have to bleach it. Bleach it means first boil in water, then boil in alcohol to remove the chlorophyll. So after bleaching, there will be no production of food because chlorophyll is damaged. So after bleaching, we have to wash the leaf and put few drops of iodine. So whenever we put the few drops of iodine, the green color area change into blue black and the other areas remain as same. So why blue black? Because when iodine mixed with starch, then it turns into blue black color. So as we put few drops of iodine on the green surface, so it turns into blue black. So it shows that that green area contains starch, and that is why the color becomes blue black color. So from this we can prove that only green leaves are able to prepare food. Now comes the next activity. In this activity we have to prove that sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. So first of all, we have to take a potted plant and put it into a dark for 24 hours. So whatever food already prepared in the plants in the sunlight, it will be consumed in the next 24 hours. And again we have to take the potted plant and put into the sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Now after some time we have to pluck a leaf from the plant and then bleach it, that is remove the chlorophyll from the green color chlorophyll from the leaf. How bleach? Bleach means first of all boil the leaf in water and then boil the leaf in alcohol. So after boiling it, we have to wash the leaf under cold water. So after washing, alcohol removed, and now we have to put some iodine solution on the leaf, and then it will show that the color will change into again blue black color. So it shows that starch is prepared by the process of photosynthesis, and for that sunlight is needed. Now we are going to discuss about the third activity, that is presence of starch in leaves. So what we have to do this for this activity, we have to pluck a leaf from a healthy plant. After plucking it, we have to bleach it. That first we have to boil in it water and then we have to boil in the alcohol. So after boiling, we have to wash it under cold water. After washing, we have to put the leaf into a dish and then again few drops of iodine, and if the color will change, it means presence of starch, and if the color will not change, it means no presence of starch. So if starch is there, color will change into blue black, and it shows that in uh, leaves starch is present. So these are the three activities through which we are able to understand that from number 1, only green leaves are able to prepare food. Number 2, that is sunlight is needed for the process of photosynthesis or preparation of food. And the third one is food is prepared in the leaf, that is starch present in the leaf. Now the food prepared in the leaf. So how the plants use this food? Some of the foods are used by the plants, but the remaining part is stored in the different parts of the plant, like leaves, stems, and roots. So during the process of photosynthesis, energy of sun trapped in the plants, and this energy is converted into food, and this food is stored in the various part of the plant, and this part of the plant we use as a food. So most of the plants have chlorophyll and they produce their food, but there are some special type of plant and they don't have chlorophyll, like croton plants. They don't have chlorophyll, their color is yellowish or reddish color is there. So the question, how will they produce their food? The answer is there is chlorophyll present, but chlorophyll present under the red or yellow color. So in this way, plants are able to produce their food. Plants are able to produce their food, like in croton. Now comes the next type of plant, like fungi, molds. These are the plants which they also don't have chlorophyll. So how do they prepare their food? They get their food from the dead and decaying matter. They get their food from the dead and decaying matter. And that is why they are called saprophytic plants. Then comes the next type of plant, which is green in color, but they do not produce their food. They take the food from the other plant, other green plants. So this type of plants are called parasitic plants. Means they do not produce their own food, but they take the food from the other green plants. Now there are some other type of plants in which the leaves are converted into spines or thorns, like cactus. So here the process of photosynthesis will take place in the stem itself, because stem is green in color and fleshy also. So here process of photosynthesis took place and food is prepared. So this are the some special plants, and they prepare their food in, or they take their food in very different ways. So class, I hope you are able to understand this topic well. If any problem, ask me, I will help you, class. But read the book again and again, so you are able to understand the chapter more clearly. So class, have a good day. Be safe at home. Thank you.